Welcome, artists. In this video, you will learn about the artist Luke Dixon and how we will use his artwork as inspiration for our project. You will also learn the key concepts and skills needed to create this work of art. Before watching this video, make sure that you have your note guide, which is on the back of the Unit 1 playlist. Make sure you answer the questions and write down the definitions as they come up in this video. Begin with the question you see here. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. The artwork on the previous page is by Luke Dixon. Luke is a graphic artist, illustrator, and printmaker from the north of England. He studied fine art in college, focusing on lino, woodcut, and screen prints, and since graduating in 2009, he also started his own brand called the Bear Hug Company, which you can find on Instagram. He's our inspiration artist for this project because his artwork is an excellent example of contour line drawing, combined with masterful demonstration of line properties, two concepts that you will learn in this unit. Line is one of the 7 elements of art, which can be thought of as the building blocks of art from which all artwork is created. You'll hear about those a lot this year. So let's dive into the vocabulary you'll be using in this unit. Please pause the video and copy these definitions in your note guide. A contour line is a line that describes shape. It can also be thought of as an outline. In this example, this line here is an outline or contour of the face. Famous artists throughout history have completed contour drawings as part of their process for drawing accurate and proportional representations of real-life objects or people. It is used as a skill-building exercise to teach artists how to closely observe the objects they are drawing. Blind contour drawings are another skill-building exercise that artists use to improve their powers of observation. In a blind drawing, the artist does not look at their paper while drawing. Their eyes remain only on the object they are drawing. What makes Dixon's work so successful is the way he combines different types of lines in a unique way. By changing the properties of the lines, he adds visual interest to his portraits. Line properties refer to the size, shape, and direction of the lines within the work of art. As we learned earlier in this unit, lines come in many varieties: straight, vertical, diagonal, horizontal, as well as thick, thin, broken, spiral. There's so many kinds of lines. Notice how some lines are thick, some are thin in this drawing by Luke Dixon. Some are curved, straight. Some lines repeat to create patterns. We'll be following this example in the project we create. Emphasis. Emphasis is a principle of design that refers to a center of interest within an artwork. What stands out to you in this portrait? How do you think the artist made that area stand out? In this unit, you will practice contour and blind contour drawing exercises to create an abstract portrait. You will add emphasis by paying attention to line properties. While Luke Dixon's portraits are highly detailed and somewhat realistic, our work will differ from Luke Dixon's because we're not trying to create accurate contour drawings. Remember, the main focus of this lesson is on training our eyes to see and observe closely, so we're going for practice over perfection. We will use line properties and color to add visual interest to our observational drawing practice. So now that you know what we're doing, head on over to Google Classroom for your first drawing lesson. Thanks for watching and have fun.